Welcome back everyone. In my last vid I showed you how to make your machines see each other, and in this video I'm going to make Windows 2000 Silvermite domain controller. Just to recap a bit, just want to make sure that all machines are seeing each other. So I have a Windows 2008, click on network, you can see they're all seeing each other. If I go on to the others, just a quick check just to make sure everything is in order. So alright, Windows 7 is seeing everyone. Move over to Vista. Alright, Windows is good. And now Windows XP. Alright, and everything is checked. Well, Windows XP not really seen itself, but everything is still in order. Alright, so now to make Windows 2008 my domain controller. So minimize that, except for the Windows 8. Okay. In order to do this, you can, well, when the machine starts up, this is what comes up. If you happen to exit it by mistake, that's no problem. You could go into Start and go on Silver Manager. Or for me, I'll just go on Add Rules. This is the wizard, so just go through it. Click Next. In this part, these are all the rules that are available and that you can install. But for now, I'm only going to use Active Directory Domain Services. Right? So click on Next. You can read through a bit if you want. Click Next once more. Alright, through here it says the server might need to be restarted after the installation is completed. And after you install the rule, use the Active Directory Domain Services wizard or DCPromo to make the server fully functional domain controller. Hit install, and now it's in the process of installing. I'll just fast forward it a bit because it might take a while to finish. Alright, now that the domain services has been installed, as you can see here on the Active Directory Domain Controller, they're asking you to launch Directory Domain Services or DCPromo. You can click on this link, but if you already closed the box before, you can just go to Start and go to Run, and in Run type dcpromo.exe. So I'll just click on the link. This is what comes up, the wizard for the domain services. Just hit Next. Next again. Alright. Since I've never created a forest before, I don't have to go on existing forest. I'll simply go and create a new domain in a new forest. Like that. Next. Alright. Asking for the name of the domain, and for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll just name it after myself. So I'll be like bitcaron.com. Make sure it's spelled properly. Okay, click Next. Checking to see if the forest name is already in use. Alright, this is the forest function level. See here, the options available are Windows 2000, Windows 2003, and Windows 2008. State that if you choose Windows 2003, you'll only be able to add domain controllers that are running 2003 or later. If I go to 2008, I'll be only running machines that are 2008 or later. But since Windows 7 and XP and Vista stuff like that, I'll go on Windows Server 2003. Click next. Click next again. When this pops up, just click on no. If it pops again, just hit yes. Click yes once again. I see all will be installed on the C drive. So click next, go on to next. And I'll create a password for my administrator. Just type it again. Alright. Next. And it's about to be installed. And I'll just click this dialog box here, so when it's done, it will reboot. Alright, so now the installation is complete. You didn't miss anything important while it was installing. When it was done, it simply rebooted one time. So now you can see my name as admin. So now I'll just type in the admin password. Sorry about that. Alright. Now that I'm in, go to computer. Oh, my bad. Start. Right click on my computer. Go to properties. As you can see here in this area here, the domain that is in is my domain Karen.com. Let me just make sure that something hasn't changed. Network Insurance Center. As you can see here, network discovery has been turned off, so we need to put that back on. Apply. Alright, things back to normal. So as I was saying before, see here, the domain Karen.com. If I go into network, only Windows 2008 is in the domain Karen. Now I'm going to join the other machines to the domain. Alright, so now I'm going to join one of my machines to the domain. I'll start with Windows 7. So go to Start, right click on my computer, go to Properties. As you can see, it's still in Workgroup. See here, Workgroup. go to change settings. Here it renames computer or changes domain or workgroup. Click change. Change the domain to Karen.com. Click OK. This box pops up and simply type in administrator and administrator password. So, alright. Now let's say welcome to the domain Karen.com. Now it will ask to be restarted. Click OK. Close. Restart now. It's restarting. While it's restarting, I will move on to the other machines. Windows Vista. To change domain, type my name once again. Click OK. Once again, administrator. Okay. So restart that one as well. Now to Windows XP. Hmm. Right, so that one is done as well. Right, so they are all restarting. See here, this one's finished. See here, this is it. This is the admin. Just go onto this one. Go to my domain. Server. Oh, I know what I did wrong. Sorry about it. Hold on. left out the backslash administrator part. Just a small mistake. Alright, now that I've corrected the simple mistakes, just to make sure that they are all within the domain. So go my computer, right click on my computer, go to properties. As you can see here, domain karen.com. If I go to so just to make sure nothing has changed. See, they are set to off, so just turn them on. Alright, so save changes. Just check on the other machines to make sure they are set properly. See, it's within the domain. If I go to network, oh, network discovery is off. I'll have to turn on, I'll have to fix the settings on each machine. Turn that on. Turn on sharing, so anyone with network access can open, change, and create files. That. Alright, so those should have been checked. Make sure everything else is off. Let's check XP. Go to firewall. See, it is on. It's supposed to be off. Okay. Right. Just make sure. Right, seen everyone except Windows XP. Alright, see now they're all in woogroup and that's all there is to it. So today you've learned how to set up an Active Directory domain service, how to make one of your machines, particularly Windows 2008 server, how to make it a domain controller, and you have also learned how to join a machine to a domain. So that's all for now, and I'll see you next time.